stupid!
Stupid boy!
Ah! Hey, yo.
Sup yourself.
I'm Charles Baker Harris. I can read.
Yeah? So what,
How
dog?
old are you, man? 4.5?
Going on 7.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, shoot, no wonder. You Scout yonder's been reading forever since he
Yeah.
was born.
Yeah!
Yeah?
Dog.
Well, I can read too.
Why don't you come on over, Charles Baker Harris?
Yeah, dog.
Lord, what a name.
What up?
I hear yours is Jeremy Askin Finch.
I'm big enough to fit mine, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever,
Homie.
home.
Oh.
Yeah.
Apparently folks call you Bill.
Watch the door.
Okay.
On the first day of school, my teacher said to me, "Don't let your father teach you to read," but I actually taught myself.
Tart.
Two pieces of gum, soap, dolls, ball, twine, wash. Two pieces of gum, soap, dolls, ball, twine, wash. Two pieces of gum, soap, dolls, ball, twine, wash. And we found it in the tree right here.
Tart.
Let's sneak into the Radley's house. Let's sneak into the Radley's house. It's just a jump to the left, and then step to the right. Put your hands on your hips, pull your knees in tight, and then a pelvic thrust, and then a body insane. Let's sneak into the Radley's house.
Pants, sir?
Pants.
We were playing strip poker up yonder by the fishing pool.
Dewey! Jesus, Deal Harris! Damn them on my fist pool! I'll strip poke at you, sir!
Yay!
Who was angry? After a feud, with his pops, for keeping him in isolation, One day he went out, and got some scissors, and then he went crazy and stabbed Racine in the leg with a pair of scissors, and Radley Sr. went,
Look, Scout, there's cement in the hole.
That's burning my house! My house! Ooh.
Well, do we have to start moving the stuff, Pa? No, that's not a good idea right now. Anybody want some hot chocolate?
Sure, I have some. Oh yeah, me too. I have some hot chocolate.
I thought I told you kids to stay put.
I did.
Well, where'd you get that blanket?
I don't know. It's here.
Well, I bet you Boo Radley put it on you.
No.
Yeah.
What's this? What's this? There's color everywhere. What's this? There's white things in the air. What's this? I can't believe my eyes. I must be dreaming. Wake up, Jack, this isn't fair. What's this?
Merry Christmas, kids!
Merry Christmas, Dad! Whoa! Cool!
Guns!
Guns!
I love guns!
Pow! Pow! Pow!
You cheated!
Now, kids, don't be playing with those inside. You'll poke someone's eye out.
Stupid!
Oh, Lordy, Atticus! Lordy, it's an adult! It's One Shot Bench.
Bang!
Cut!
Jem, don't do it. Don't do it, Jem. Don't. No, don't do it. No.
I couldn't resist.